Hello everyone. Today we have a new screen for glass replacement. One of our friends in different store, he sent us this screen for iPhone 12 Pro Max. We need us to remove the glass only for this iPhone screen. So now we are in the process of removing the internal frame of the screen. This process should be done carefully and remove it slowly, and we need to take in our consideration the LCD cable. So here in this area we need to be working very slowly and carefully, because if we damage the cable, then there is no benefit of continuing the working, because then the LCD and the touches will not be working anymore. We are Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill, Ontario. If you have any iPhone or Samsung screen you need to remove the only glass, you are very welcome to come to our store. So now we removed already the glass. See, this is the way to remove the glass from the LCD, and this is the glue. We need to clean this one as well. They call it OCA. So now we use a glue grilled to remove it. We need to clean it very carefully, and we need to clean the whole LCD, so when we put a new glass, nothing will be remaining. Please support us with putting like and share it with the other friends who is interested in this kind of service. So we are working in every area, working with with detailing. This one can be done with any iPhone screen, iPhone 12 series, 13 series, 14, 15, 16s, all of them. And we fix Apple iPad Pro, Mini and Air, and it can be done with the Apple Watch as well. So now after we removed the glue, we clean it to make sure it's cleaned and smooth. No dust remaining, no glue, nothing. So now we are installing the LCD with the new glass. We make sure all the edges in the same measurement with the LCD. We need to center exactly with the 4 edge. Now we are putting the screen in the machine, and this is the result. See, it's very clear and there is no any problem even with the touch. See, now we are fixing, we are trying to test the glass in every area to make sure the touch working, no issue. The last step is to put the first frame. We removed it. We need to put a new frame with this kind of a glue to attach it, and then it will be ready to put it inside the iPhone again. We showed you today how to put the new glass in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We just to remind you again, we do this for iPhone, for iPad Pro, with with all sizes: iPad Air, iPad Mini, and Apple Watch. Just make sure your touch and the display working fine, and you are very welcome to come to Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill. Please support us with like and share this video with some people that are interested in this kind of service. And you can visit our website maplelaptopservices.com as well. Thank you for watching the video, and it's almost done.